Japanese luxury automaker Lexus is expanding its SUV lineup in North America with its 2024 TX. It's arguably a more posh version of Toyota's Grand Highlander 3-row SUV, and it'll arrive at dealerships with hybrid engines and also as an average plug-in hybrid variant. Moreover, the 2024 Lexus TX will be the first Lexus made at Toyota's manufacturing plant in Indiana. The Lexus TX is based on the TNGA-K platform, which underpins the likes of the Toyota Grand Highlander, among others. The TX also shares a number of exterior and interior design elements with the Grand Highlander. The 2024 Lexus TX SUV flaunts a unique 3-row silhouette. The car's focus on aerodynamic performance led to the creation of the new Lexus unified Spindle design. The front end of the TX boasts a narrow opening that connects the headlights and a low-set grille. Furthermore, the SUV will be available in 4 different grades and offers various wheel options. The rear end of the vehicle flaunts a slim signature light bar. It will be offered in different versions and a choice of 7 exterior colors: Cloudburst Grey, Windchill Pearl, Caviar, Matador Red Mica, Nightfall Mica, Incognito and Celestial Silver Metallic. The Lexus TX features a 12.3-inch digital instrument display and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Classy touches include a digital door latch, multicolored interior ambient lighting, up to 7 USB charging ports, an available head-up display, and an optional Mark Levinson audio system with 21 speakers. Interior color options include peppercorn, birch, and black depending on the grade. The 2024 TX offers comprehensive utility and usability in every row, ensuring comfort and convenience for all passengers. The TX offers ample room and comfortable seating for the passengers with a spacious third row and cargo space of 569 liters behind it. All rows provide accessible storage, and when the third row seats are folded down, the cargo capacity increases to 1,625 liters. Folding down both the second and third row further expands the cargo capacity to 2,747 liters. The TX offers 3 engine options, but the TX choices are different. The TX 350 has a base 2.4-liter gas engine delivering 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. That pairs with an 8-speed automatic and can be fitted with front or all-wheel drive. Buyers can also pick that from 2 hybrid options. The TX 500H has the Grand Highlander's 2.4-liter hybrid max setup with a 6-speed automatic that puts out 366 horsepower and 409 pound-feet of torque. Lexus also offers a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid TX 550H Plus model with a CVT. The PHEV offers 406 horsepower and an estimated 33 miles of EV range. All hybrids use Lexus's Direct 4 all-wheel drive system. The TX 550H Plus also gets dynamic rear wheel steering.